Today he joined us and these noisy buggers over there, so I kind of did a little over here by myself. Fuck's sake, I'm gonna make it in. Out in the wood with the boys, getting some shots in with my new little target. I'll spin around here. If this one goes out, join us along on some a little shooting adventure. He's trying to fucking shoot us. Do something, I'll show you this new target and that. Right, there's my new little target. It's a self-resetting target. You hit the 4 bottom ones up and the gun's on like the thing in the top one. You hit that one there and it resets them all back down for you. So I'll bring this back along in a second when one of us start plinking it. Just found a couple of shrooms there, look kind of cool them like. This is Jamie's stance for when he's going to shoot the target. What a stance, look at the stance on that, before we hit it. Jamie's going to try and reset where you hit the 4 bottom ones and reset about the top where it's going to hang with until it goes. Let's go. Go on, first shot.
Get on, that's fucking first time we've got to do it like that. No jump culture, fucking eat that fowler. Fucking have it.
We've got this, I think it's called a walker. You just keep plinking it. Dink, 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 dink. I don't know how you're going to plink it from the side like that, but you know. You get the gist. Just chaser or whatever it's called. And while the camera's on, I thought I would just show you the catapult that I'm shooting. It's an Amazon special. I would leave the link in the description, but I didn't get now out of it, so all my products I use on here really off Amazon as well, should really, but just some bands I bought off Amazon as well, and you can just unscrew these and change the bands when you want, so it's a lot easier when you're out and about. Do fucking bling stuff off, you know. But that's what I'm using when I'm out. Let's smash that off for fucking 10 metres of here.
One shot, one take. One take.
Oh yeah, on that. 3, 2, 1. Yes. Shot. It's done. Hush, hush.
I'm happy with that, to be fair.
We decided to come back out for the night after that little shooting the out we had earlier on, what we got in Cardiff, little dew. But I were back in the boys are setting the stuff up. I'll turn around and show you just now. Just getting here, Philly's setting his hammock up. Getting his hammock up. Carl's in his ground dwelling again tonight in his little one-man tent. And I'm going there, I'll show you in a minute. Yeah, I'm going to go for a setup a little bit different, so hopefully it grafts. If not, I'll not show you. A different angle. It's weird as fucking on there. I'm going on a little loot to try and find a stick for what I need. Oh, I might not even have to look for, because I don't want to put it out down. I'll find something. With this little thing here, I think that someone's had a gun at, obviously previously. I'm just going to take that. A new pull saw. Brand new one, this one. No effort whatsoever. I'll turn the camera off because it's going to hit us in the heat. Right, after a bit tweaking on and a bit pissing about, I finally got my setup done. I'm on the carpet now because I like it so much of the night. I thought I'd bring it along again. I've got to open up at the minute. I'll go on the back to show you, like from the side. over the top to 3x3 top, and it's just behind the logs that we had built in, like a little garden area that I built in the last video, a couple of videos ago, sorry. And a couple of cans for later on, a couple of Strongbow, a couple of Fosters, got a couple of bottles, a couple of new things, a new little Gerber knife, and a little mini multi-tool, and a mini floor guard. Anyway, I'll get back to you soon and show you what we're looking like. Now these two are just sorting the shit out, nearly ready. Sat down a bit shit all out at the minute, but we're gonna get it all tidied up. Get back with us. Badoosh. Right, I'm gonna get to chopping some stuff up. My eyes look dark under this fucking tent. What the hell? I'm gonna get to chopping some of this food up, and I'll bring you along for some of it because you've seen it a million times. So I'm doing chicken skewers, the tomatoes, peppers, and chicken, and salt and pepper. Bring it back soon. Right, here we go with the peppers. Let's go. Big enough to go on the skewers. And good old pepper. Some more of that. I get this chicken chopped up. I put a bag on here so we can get fucking salmonella or whatever you call it. All over the chicken chopping board. Also don't want to slice the bag up because this knife's sharp as shit. Chopping through the bag. I'll get back using that one more of that. And not get salmon all over the fucking place. Down here. Right, skewers are going onto the barbecue. I don't know if they're gonna, how they're gonna. I'm just gonna sit them on like that against the back so they're just not touching the bottom. I'll get a better shot for you, like that. Phil's probably gonna try some. He's gonna knock them over. Nah, just leave them there, bro. Bang on that, I think a little bit more back we are at. So like, oh, there we go. There. Lean against there a bit. Sorry about that shitty cameramanship there. What?
We can push this forward and then we can like straight out up and push it.
And then bricks will be red hot now, mate. We are at our pauses. Chicken on the barbie. I'm gonna get the salad, cheese salad knocked up.
Chicken on the corn.
More chicken on the corn. Oh shit, that's fucking copyright, man. Carl's just been pissing around the back. We're not pissing around, he's been fucking busy. He's cleared this floor here behind my little setup. This is gonna get all done properly, by the way, don't worry about that. It's only like surrounding at the minute. Little wood store.
Well, if you look underneath.
Look underneath on the inside. I'll stick my light on, bro. So see.
Is that looking good?
It looks fucking mint. Actually looks mint on the camera. Right. Really good.
Have a look underneath. So good. And a good beard. Wicked.
This fella's just turned up here and bless us with these presents.
Blessed.
You doing like?
Spot him in, he's doing well.
We're doing good. Let them two guys just do.
Carl moving Is Carl moving out?
Just doing guy stuff.
The thing's alright at home, Carl?
Is Carl moving out?
He's like, no, I'm moving in here. I thought I'd quickly show you this chicken skewers and the salad before I get into it, because it's fucking shouting my name like. Chicken salad, cheese salad. I'm going to get into this. There's Phil's down there, there's Carl's down there, and we're going to fuck it up. Alright mate, I'm going to have the first bite with us like I always do. A bit of, yeah, what is that? Tomato, chicken. I'll try and get a bit of pepper now. Tomatoes just burst in my mouth. And the munchies. I'll get back with you momentarily. Peace. What you seeing, mate?
Beautiful meaty, I'm enjoying it.
Oh, I'm some nice. Gordon Ramsay, mate, aren't I?
Definitely.
What you seeing, Phil?
Gordon Oliver.
He's not seeing much because it's fucking banging.
11.
Well, it's that time of night. Oh, yeah, let's turn this fucking light off. It's that time when we're just chilling under the fire, having a few beers, put some tunes on. We just had some tunes on, we'll just turn them off there so I can put this on. But I'll flip this on in there so you can have a look what I'm seeing. Campfire vibes. That's all you can see, it's just the fire.
Yeah.
All you can see is the fire, because I've got a light on me. Read. The firewall started catching on fire, so we're just gonna move it along fire. Sorry about him. I'll turn around for you.
Looks amazing. It's really smoky,
It's a bit smoky,
that smoke will go away surely, won't it, Phil?
Yeah, it's burnt out, it will. Long fire. I forgot to see as well, Carl's made us a play button for being a pal. All the bottle caps on one of the top of the logs that we use for a seat. So I'll show you that. It's kind of good actually. There's me tree stump YouTube play button with bottle caps. Nice one, Carl lad. Yeah. It's kind of good, isn't it? What do you reckon? That deserves a fucking thumbs up if I've ever seen one.
It's a play button.
Get up. That fire is blazing now. I've still got like a guard there so no one can see us really, so. Well, good morning, chaps. I forgot to record last night because I ended up falling asleep. Yeah. We used all the water last night because the firewall caught on fire, so we can't have make coffees and all that. So I'm just going to pack the stuff for you in there, just a little short one, so I'll catch back up with you next time. Being emotional. Really hard, Carl? You got any words? He's going to be sick. Phil sort this shit out. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Yo, welcome to another episode of Wild Camp Cook. Today we've got a new chainsaw and we're going to make some firewood. So we'll bring you along for that and we'll show you what we're doing. So have a look at this. This is the new chainsaw from B&Q. We paid £45 for it. So you want to put that fuel in? Please don't get this fuel in. Try and get it in the on the chain, like in the side of it, not on it, all over it. So me gotta be well, right, this is the first time I'm gonna try and start here. There's something to find it. Now what's on or off? I think that's on. Oh bloody, it's not. First time using a chainsaw, so this is my Got a choke there as well.
Right, beast lads, hey!
I don't know how well Phil recorded that there, like, but I'm gonna try and put it on the tripod and get some more footage of right, just me fucking chopping some firewood, that way, chopping some tree stumps up, and try my new chainsaw out. And cheers, step 2, Steve Wallace and all that. Hey, hey, get up. Here we go, boys. I'm gonna give it a couple of saws and I'm gonna get Phil going. I'm gonna start down here and work way up. So fuck it, on that log there. What was that?
Chain fell off. I've been nipping the way it's lying. Took that end bit off and it's nipping the way it's lying.
I think the chain's gone loose.
It has, aye.
That's what I think it's skidding around the thing. Did you pause that? Bit of a disaster on the fucking chainsaw side because as I was chainsawing there's been a brick under the log further down the fucking, like further down, and it's hit the brick. So the chainsaw's fucking blunt, and it's not Dana, it's pure James blunt. Fucked it! Oosh!